The results for Dr. Wiser is amazing. He is a perfectionist and every patient is his masterpiece. After surgery, I had minimal pain. The only difficulty I may have had, because I also had a hernia repair, so being able to stand up straight was a little bit of a task for me the first couple of days, but as far as my rest, no pain whatsoever. After surgery, I felt amazing. I was very happy with my results with Dr. Wiser. Recovery time was about 1 to 2 weeks. And that was like fully with everything again, not just the breast reduction surgery, but also with the hernia repair. And he also gave me a skin graft for my new belly button. So Dr. Wiser and his team is amazing, amazing, amazing. And I'm not just saying this. From the time that I met them to the time I made my appointment, even my follow-up visit, they are always reminding you. They have a portal set up so you're not missing anything. Anytime you have any questions, even after surgery, before surgery, the nurses are always available to help you. You're not alone. This is not a surgeon who, after your surgery, that's it, I'll see you. No, they're constantly, the team is following up with you, make sure you're okay. Nurses are always on deck 24 hours, any questions or concerns that you have. I put off this surgery for a long time. To all the women and even men who are thinking about having some form of breast reduction surgery, I suggest that you do it. Don't put it off. Sometimes, life happens and we're not able to do things, but if it's a thought in your mind, just get some type of consultation. And as for me, when I came to this office, for one thing, there was other things that I had an issue with, and Dr. Wiser was also able to address that. So I am thankful for that as well.